Hello students, in business studies today's topic is concept of business. Students, as you know that our subject is business studies. So we should understand every element, every aspect and every feature of business. So today's topic is concept of business. Students, the word business has been derived from the word busy. Hence business refers to being busy. It means business is a state of being busy in an economic activity which is concerned with generating profit. So students, it is an activity which is performed by the people regularly in order to earn profit. For example, manufacturing, transportation, banking, retailing, etc. So business can involve different types of activities to earn profit. So students, business is an economic activity which is concerned with production, purchase, sale or distribution of goods and providing services. Its main goal is to earn profit by satisfying human needs in society. It means through this type of activity we are satisfying the need of society and we are getting some profit in exchange of it. It includes a wide variety of functions performed by various kinds of organizations, later are known as business enterprises or firms. So students, when these activities are conducted by group of individuals, these are called business enterprises or business firms. जब ये एक्टिविटीज़ कई लोगों के समूह के द्वारा करी जाती हैं तो उसी बिजनेस को हम बिजनेस एंटरप्राइज बोलते हैं या बिजनेस फर्म बोलते हैं या फिर कोई कंपनी बोलते हैं. These enterprises perform four major functions. For example, financing, production, marketing, human resource management, etc. These are the core functions of every business organization or business firm. First is financing. Financing means to generate funds for the business and to utilize the funds which are being generated in the business in different types of business activities. Second is production. Production means some value addition or increasing the utility of products or raw material or services through different types of procurement and experiments. So students, production refers to converting the raw material, components etc. into finished products or generating services. तो प्रोडक्शन में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, किसी रॉ मटेरियल का या किसी प्रोडक्ट का या किसी सर्विस का या किसी कंपोनेंट का वैल्यू एडिशन कर रहे हैं, उसकी उपयोगिता बढ़ा रहे हैं और उसका मूल्य संवर्धन कर रहे हैं. थर्ड इज मार्केटिंग. मार्केटिंग मीन्स टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट the goods or services to the final users through different channels of distribution. So marketing, it is a business activity concerned with transferring goods and services from the producers to consumers. It means goods are being supplied from the producers to the final users or customers at the right place, at the right time, at the right price. So it means it includes all the activities which are concerned with supplying goods and services to the final users as per the requirement of the consumer, at per proper location and as per proper price fixation. And the fourth element or function is human resource management. Human resource management means the management of employees and workers at different levels and solving their problem. तो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट का मतलब है कि जो भी लोग, जो भी एम्प्लॉयज़ हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम कर रहे हैं, बिजनेस में काम कर रहे हैं, उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करना, उनको तरह तरह के उनकी कैपेसिटी के हिसाब से उनको जॉब देना और उनके जॉब के बदले में उनको पर्याप्त सही प्रकार से उनको रेम्युनरेशन देना, उनकी मजदूरी देना, सैलरी देना और उनको प्रॉपर तरीके से काम लेना. So human resource management, this function involves ensuring availability of people with right profits for performing different jobs in the organization. Now student, we will talk about features of business. Features means characteristics of business और विशेषताएं business की. As discussed earlier, business is an important economic activity which possesses the following features. So students, as we have discussed earlier, the business activity has different types of characteristics which are the symbols of business. तो फीचर्स ऑफ बिजनेस का मतलब वो सारे बातें जो कि इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं कि वो एक्टिविटी बिजनेस एक्टिविटी है. तो द फर्स्ट फीचर इज एन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. सो बिजनेस इज एन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी undertaken with the main aim of earning money or livelihood. So it is an economic activity which is conducted by the individuals to earn profit. All those activities which are conducted through the efforts of individuals for the purpose of religious reasons, social welfare and patriotic reasons are not included in business activities. तो वो सारी एक्टिविटीज़ जो कि प्रॉफिट अर्निंग के लिए हो रही हैं वो किस में आ रही हैं, बिजनेस में आ रही हैं. जो किसी सोशल वेलफेयर के लिए हो रही हैं, सामाजिक कारण की वजह से हो रही हैं, देशभक्ति की वजह से हो रही हैं, वो सब किस में आ रही हैं, नॉन इकोनॉमिक में आ रही हैं, इसलिए बिजनेस में नहीं आ रही हैं. एंड द सेकंड फीचर इज प्रोडक्शन और प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. So students, in business activities, different goods or raw materials are produced or procured for further utilization at different levels of manufacturing. So the business enterprises either produces goods or procures them from producers before they are offered for sale to the consumers. So it means there are various stages before providing the goods and services to the final users. These can be consumer goods like sugar, pen, cloths, or capital goods like machinery, tools, etc. So student, प्रोडक्शन हो सकता है किसी कंज्यूमर गुड्स का भी, जैसे कि कोई बिस्किट हो गया, सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स हो गए, शुगर हो गया, पेन हो गया, क्लॉथ्स हो गया, या फिर कोई लॉन्ग टर्म फिक्स एसेट्स हो सकती है जिसकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो रही हो, जैसे कि मशीनरी, कोई बिल्डिंग, कोई शिप, एरोप्लेन या कोई इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फैसिलिटी. Now the third feature is sale or exchange of goods and services for the satisfaction of human needs. Students, in business activities, various goods or services are transferred for the purpose of gaining profit through satisfaction of human needs. So business involves sale or exchange of goods and services for money. It cannot be termed as business activity if goods are produced for self consumption and not for sale. तो अगर हम गुड्स को प्रोड्यूस तो कर रहे हैं लेकिन उसको सिर्फ फ्री में बांट रहे हैं या स्वयं के लिए इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं तो वो बिजनेस एक्टिविटी नहीं कहलाएगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ द ओनर ऑफ ए स्टेशनरी शॉप परचेजेस ए पेन फॉर हिज पर्सनल यूज, इट इज़ नॉट ए बिजनेस एक्टिविटी. But if he sells the pen to a consumer or customer, it is termed as business activity. Thus, sale or exchange of goods and services between the seller and buyer is an essential feature of business. So it is the main important feature or characteristic of business, so that we are exchanging goods or services in benefit of some profit or money. Students, the next feature is dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. It means regularity is the main feature of business. This type of activity should be conducted at regular basis to earn profit. So one single transaction or sale or purchase of goods cannot be termed as business. Thus business must involve exchange of goods and services on a regular basis. For example, if a person sells his personal computer, it cannot be termed as business activity. However, if he continuously deals in purchase and sale of computers, it will be regarded as business activity. तो अगर कोई व्यक्ति लगातार कोई एक्टिविटीज़ करता है उस पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में प्रॉफिट मेकिंग के लिए, तभी वो बिजनेस कहलाता है. कभी कभी उसने कर दिया तो वो बिजनेस एक्टिविटी नहीं कहलाएगी. द फोर्थ फीचर इज क्लियर दैट dealing of goods and services is an integral part of business. And the next feature is profit earning. Profit motive is the main element of business. The main aim of every business is to earn profit. Earning profit is an essential feature for business, and it is also useful for the survival of the business. If there will be no profit, there will be no existence of business. अगर प्रॉफिट नहीं होगा तो बिजनेस भी अपना वजूद कायम नहीं रख पाएगा. For this purpose, a businessman always tries to minimize the cost of production and maximize the revenue. तो इसीलिए जो है हर बिजनेस पर्सन ये कोशिश करता है कि उसकी कॉस्ट कम से कम रहे और प्रॉफिट अधिक से अधिक हो जाए. And now the next feature is uncertainty or risk feature of return. So another important feature of every business is uncertainty of return. It means there is a feature of risk in every business. A businessman invests money to run the business, but he is not certain about the amount of profit that he may gain or earn. He cannot be sure of certain rate of profit every year, in spite of every best effort made by the business person. Moreover, there is a chance of losing or losses being incurred in spite of best effort put into the business by him or her. तो रिस्क और जोखिम जो है वो हर बिजनेस का एक मुख्य फीचर है, मुख्य विशेषता है कि कैपिटल इन्वेस्ट करने के बाद भी और अपनी सारी क्षमता के साथ काम करने के बावजूद भी कुछ ना कुछ रिस्क और कुछ ना कुछ जोखिम उसमें शामिल रहता है, और लॉस होने की संभावना रहती है, हानि होने की संभावना रहती है, या फिर प्रॉफिट कम होने की संभावना रहती है, या कितना प्रॉफिट होगा उसकी सर्टेनिटी नहीं होती है. सो दिस फीचर इज अनसर्टेनिटी ऑफ रिटर्न. तो रिटर्न कितना होगा पता नहीं है किसी को, ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, कम भी हो सकता है, या फिर नहीं भी हो सकता है. And the seventh feature is element of risk. The possibility of inadequate profits or even losses due to uncertainties or unexpected events is always associated with business. So there is a feature of risk involved in the business activity everywhere. And this type of risk may be in the form of natural risk or any man-made risk, maybe competition or any natural calamity. The risk can be caused by factors like changes in methods of production, change in fashion, increased competition, fire, theft, strikes, etc. So there may be different elements of risk in the business, which may be natural or man-made or external or internal. So students, these are the basic features of business, and we have also understood the concept of business and the functions of business in short. So students, you have to go through this concept very carefully so that we can understand that chapter or subject in an efficient way further. Thanks. Have a nice day.